Now if I describe you how we grade and evaluate the auction teas. Now this is a broker tin sample sent to us, and you can see here JK. JK stands for John Keels. It's a leading broker in Colombo who sells tea. And you get a 1458. That's a 1458 is a lot number that is related to this John Keels catalog. This John Keels catalog, John Keels catalog, where you have all these numbers, is a John Keels catalog. And you can see all these lot numbers are printed here with box. You can see all these lot numbers are printed in this catalog, like 14, 58, 59, 60, 61, likewise with different grades. Now this, if you see, this is a different grade called FBOP. This is called FBOPT. And if you take this lot 1453 lot number, you get a FF1. It's a different type of tea. This is a different type of tea. So each lot, and if you take lot number 1451 John Keel, you will have another kind of tea called FF, flower fannies. So there are different kinds of tea which John Keels, the broker, catalog and sent to all exporters, not only to Ahmad Tea, all exporters in Sri Lanka. So how we evaluate this? We take 2.5 grams here. 2.5 grams would be weighed and put it to this pot. Then we leave it here, and boiling water will be poured in to this cup, and we close it and leave it for 5 minutes. That is the way of brewing tea for tasting. After 5 minutes, we strain it and take the infusion out, and we have the brewed tea here. We have the brewed tea here for our evaluation. Then what we do is, when we take the cup, we have the evaluation. To evaluate, we have the infusion, we have the dry leaf, and we have the cup also. And what we do is, my head tea boy, when I check the tea, I give a grading according to Ahmad Tea standards. I give a grading. I say 82 plus, that is our standard for leaf, and after that I taste the tea. I taste the tea like this. And it too fairly bright, good strength, and suitable for that standard. So that means this cup, this tea is good enough, suitable for our standard 82. So that's how we evaluate the auction teas every week. Like a prayer, we do all our evaluations accordingly. Then if we like to evaluate the infusion, if the tea is bad, we could see it in the infusion. That's the quality of the tea could be seen from the infusion also. If this infusion is coppery, that means the tea is good. In general, the tea is good. If the tea infusion is little dark, brownish, that means the tea is not so good. That is also another way of checking the quality of tea. Generally, both are okay, but you can see one is touch too coppery than the other. But that's generally both are okay, both are good teas, but that is how we check the infusion. But mostly, the most important thing is the cup quality. Mind you, the cup quality where we check the taste. The cup quality is very important, where you check the taste by the color, the brightness, the strength, the gut, all those aspects are checked with tasting of the cut quality. With that tasting only, we give him, my head tea boy will write down all the necessary remarks on the catalogue for us to go and buy at the tea auctions accordingly. That completes the complete test of the auction tea. Thank you.